all new working codes in Grow a Garden. In today's video, we'll be going over and actually showcasing every single one of these new codes that the one and only Yandel added into the game. So let's actually see, join up the game. I did favorite most of my rare stuff on my garden. The Cotton Blossom doesn't have to be favorite because it's egg unboxing. New egg unboxing. Let's see if we can actually get something good from these eggs, because I don't even have a good pet. Okay, I want the dragonfly. I want a dragonfly, please. Please? Oh no, it's just a caterpillar. Okay, we have one more bug egg. And we have one bee egg. Let's see. Snell. No! Why is this so unlucky? Okay, queen bee at least. Nope, we got the basic bee. Okay, I just completely got nothing. What do the bee do? What do the bee do though? What do the bee do though? Pick up. Where's the bee at? Alright, so that is kind of annoying because you can't really see the bee. You can't really see the bee. I genuinely am unaware of where the bee is. If you do actually want to redeem these codes, you should open up your settings, and we'll be clicking on the code bar in a second once I actually find the bee. Okay, there he is. Okay, and then view. Every 24 minutes flies to another fruit and pollinates it, applying pollinated mutation. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, that is a very good mutation thingy. Oh, we get the high fruit. We got it. The high fruit wasn't stuck yesterday. I got it on like 7 accounts. So if you didn't already, make 7 accounts for Grow a Garden, guys. But be on my level, okay? Everybody is glitching this game, but so far I haven't used a single glitch. I do. Okay, so this is the reward. That everybody was getting. Cooked chicken. You see this? How do you move this? Okay, you can actually move it. Cooked chicken. We're cooking chicken. Actually cooked chicken. La 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 lava. Chicken. La lava chicken. No way. So the owl got completely cooked. I'm gonna redeem the codes, by the way. Let's see. Let's actually redeem the codes in Grow a Garden. Okay. So the first code that you actually want to redeem is gonna be very simple, okay? Before I actually redeem the code, if you want to get yourself the new Amber Lily, which is not that good, okay? It's not that good. If you want to get the new Amber Lily, I'll be gifting one of these Amber Lilies to you guys, so you can actually have the brand new Amber Lily in Grow a Garden. One Amber Lily will be given away today. The prismatic. So comment down below Amber Lily. Comment down below an Amber Lily to actually be entered into the giveaway. Other than that, I would say that the beanstalk is still a better fruit. You know why? The beanstalk is still a better fruit because the beanstalk grows multiple beans and the Amber Lily only grows one flower. So that's why the beanstalk is still a better fruit. It's way better than the Amber Lily. You can get way richer with the Amber Lily. So the first code, F E and the S. F and the S. Friends update. Okay, so that is the first code. Friends update. Should I run Sun God or Black Hole? No way. Developers are actually online. Admins are actually online. Look, admins are online. So the admins are online, they're running Black Holes and Sun Gods events. If you actually wonder what the Sun God event does, like, it makes one of your fruits heavenly. So Black Hole event versus Sun God. Okay, we're getting both of them. I believe this peach is heavenly. Yeah, this is the heavenly peach. So you see this? It's gonna become heavenly. The sun god makes your fruits heavenly. Yeah, these are all the fruit. These are all the codes in your garden. Some of these codes are upcoming codes, so they're not gonna work today. They might be working in a couple hours or tomorrow. Yeah, in 60 seconds we run a black hole. W.